All right. Week 33, day one, DLR. It says, for my school report, oh my goodness, I choose the topic of how apes behave. That doesn't even remotely sound good. What should this be? For my school report, I choose the topic of how apes behave. What are we going to do here? How do we fix this? Only two people? That's it? Only two people hear that glaringly obvious, horrible grammar? Trace, what do you got? Shows. Can you give me a spelling? Chose. No O-O, right? O-O is going to be choose, right? O, right? We've got the silent E right here. And that's going to make that vowel long. Chose. For my school report, comma, I chose the topic of how apes behave. I see something else wrong here. Yeah, blessing. We got to lowercase the A in apes, right? And I think that's it for this one. So we have two corrections. All right. Two corrections here, and we have successfully succeeded in reading multiple times, then editing. Then we're going to write our edits. All right, take a look. I wented, pardon me, to the San Diego Zoo so I could watch them apes. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. I wented to the San Diego Zoo so I could close watch them apes. Oh my goodness. All right, so the first thing we hear is wented, right? What should that be? Right. I went to the San Diego Zoo. I see a capitalization snafu. Brody?
San Diego Zoo should be
all three because it's a title. It's a proper noun. It's a specific place. We capitalize those. I went to the San Diego Zoo. We need something, well, maybe not. So I could close watch them apes. What are we thinking, Michael?
It would be close. I just realized that it could be closely, but I got rid of close and I changed them to the.
Well, we could so let's say closely watch. We want to say not them but the, right?
Yeah.
Now let's read it. I went to the San Diego Zoo so I could closely watch the apes. Brody, you had something different.
I changed it to watch the apes closely.
That will work too. Yep. Actually, I like yours better. Okay. So for this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corrections for that one, 2 corrections for this one. All right. Now we've read, we've edited, we write it out neatly. Hold them up. Let me see. Right, and we're posting these, correct?
Yes.
I went to the. No, you don't. Let's see why. San Diego Zoo. So I could closely watch the apes. I guess that is a complete sentence. I'm just gonna say no on that one. That's an oddball. So I could closely watch the apes. Boom. All right. Use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. Then write the meaning on the line. The bold word is here. Let's try to find some clues that tell us what that word means. So it says, when I got to the ape house, I saw the apes exhibit actions that seemed human. Actioned. I saw ape house. When I got to the ape house, I saw the apes exhibit actions that seemed human. What do you think exhibit means? What do you think that means? No. No. Well, yeah, see now, okay. The ape exhibit, now that becomes a place, right? So it depends on how you use it. How are they using it though? I saw the apes exhibit actions. Here's the key word right here. Here's the big key word. It's something they're doing. So they performed actions, or if we said do actions, right? Those would be words that mean the same thing as exhibit there. See what I'm saying? Or I went to see the ape exhibit. Now the way I'm using that word is different, right? It's more of a location or a place, right? Right? Okay. Circle the meaning of the bold root word. I wrote 5 paragraphs about what I saw and heard the apes do. So, what do you think graph means? Does it mean to write, to hear, or to see? Jack?
To write.
Sure does. All right, well, there you have it. This is week 33, day 1 in the books.